Chinga kichiro n'umunchu umurigere na chinga kene ngo kwaligania semesa ya mangana Amayia nyara go kumanyiga tere twabere to kwaliganiria korose mambia lenge ntambege na kwa nebuna litukolia oli abere yo mwanchu umurigere ya ndonzi ya sote ngerete Ndizi TV ase maragoba yabona Ensa Eyemo yabona maragoba mangana Amayia tiganyara go kumanya ase nchira yobo ikiranu nyarabona oli to kubwatira nere goetera asumono wemanyiriyo igakoro kwa Joshua auta litukeligelie ejuma sarike 25 omutenye komino mu mwaka bw'ekiri bubere na 22 na mange abereka okolekana ayibona ngo chikugo sansamura immenezi ko ye county ya Kisii and Nyamira ni waberwa go twaliganiria asobwagarira tanganike gimatero mangana yo senchira yoko ya chuta.
Use that weapon within the law. Use it within the constitution.
Naliyekeraho nigyoka bagambye mona bakonyi babo bono mbachikoye gwa chibunduki na baboli gwa chitumeke biyote biro mu waziri bwobole ndibo imekithure kindiki.
KTDA inakata kilo moja na inafaa ikate gramu 500.
Abalemi beche bamochiriye kiombe gya KTDA nase kigose tokomanye.
Today, the Kenya Defense Forces of the Republic of Kenya, towards the National Appeal Fund for Drought Mitigation.
Kenya Defense Force KDF berure kona chochi besa chiabo eliko konya bali bakunire n'entaramo no murakera otebiro mokonyi umure wenserigadi gashawa. Sayomo Onyancha gochaka nigo to chakorega se county ya Kisii eketoko chaka numulikito Josephat Amis yogo tumanyibuna abagotokurwa se county ya Kisii bono nigo baboliwe ko babatoherero ekerokeria serikali egende tukobeka mirobiri yakone kibuna ambachikanya chibesa chiabo kolengana nsemete ndetaso wakana wechibesa echo nigo batebirubuna serikali enene gendrete kulingoria sobuime elikomanyo se chibesa echi chabagotunchi chigoche maiga yogo chanyara chibesa asenga kibono roboti rwa senchira yoboikiranu bono nechikoira ekekake asabanta bagotu wetania chiribu 25 nemo imeye county ya Kisii uchaka konyorana inde ase department ya social services
chibase kitikia abagotu maitenga bantu balito wakana bali baraba bagotu ase Kisii county balito wakana bantu barange edibushinasita itoko batenga chibesa pado njiraso asengenjo maitenga obolingoli buli wala okorwa wa PS bali president itu ya chora warate ni buda court se chita amatuko makego yobona wa PS mbara ba tenete chibesa mbara bali accounting officers ase chi ministry jito yobono asengenjo batara lingoli bona parliament ba choro na kibono gekora chibesa chanyoli waka kintu bateye bagendera kuganya kibasa chisoye bagendera ko ngara kibasa chiao kawaida bana bale konyora.
Richard Bosire Boigo nigo ayenekeirie abamenyi anene abagotuime county ya Kisii ingamagiga ye serikali kunyara ko bagigo chaka emirobeli yaye nechi kunyara ko bagigo ikobeka chingaki anene okweli kena ndikora nyara ko boko chaka anene ase abantu bali banyara ko bagwikia emyakeria ikaneire amone serikali linde banyara ko bakonyora enibeyo
abantu bakuri kwali barabaye aikire myaka 70 bataranza koyo so ipero panse wakano kibasi kirichi abantu abagotu aso motinyo sita oyo eta motinyo katano no yo stantu alika abantu bali pua and vulnerable bali bataka ase Kisii county ngima ndo abalika waspi yobono ekere serikali yeko soenya omaitenga serikali nya tubwata bono president nya tubwata ne cabinet nya bona bako ekakibase budget na watu wanza komenta bali ikire myaka duanya komenta sama myaka mengi sana kuru mwaka 2017
igoro yo kurenda abantu abagotu ase binyoro ao Richard nigatebire abantu banyara ko bakwerwa anene bekegoriegeke banyara ko bakurenda abantu abagotu abo bamenyete nabarabo ase ebinyoro ao
to gajanga ne serikali wanyete cyo kurendero mu ibulyo serikali yo compliment lakini bwana mtu kwa responsibilities bwana mtu abake tubwata abayibuli tole ne partisan tugutwara abayibuli baitu igo tiato take initiative na into abantu abakatubwata abayibuli tubalende serikali kerego cha yachone yako ego compliment
kuripoteri gataseni Ndizi TV kurwe county ya Kisii elitherane Josephat Amesi
Mulikito Josephat Amisi asoroboti rwa senchira yobo ikiranu bono gotigana ne Josephat Amisi zigotokomerana na Mildred Mumanyo jogo tumanyibuna kiombeke makuru wa se county ya Kisii gatariye serikali kemanyikantebuna Kisii and Ref Trust Initiative buna keti ligono bomerana sumo bagani yo moimeye county ya Kisii kobeke merobeli bene kone kibuna ngonyara bari bagosira na kubwatanie ebyombe akolengana ne kiombeke nigo batebiruna emerobeli yabo no kone kinankubwatane bale ebyombe inde hasorongorwa Gusii asokonyara kuba maegeri cinchira barabe bawe Kenya na kwegendereria roboti ru asenchira yoboime
okobwaterana nogo chamo eliogwe Kenya nero enchira ya bene asabanta bange abo bakonyekire gwetera okwelikia ase ebyombe byokoba Kenya kebogima chingaki ebirengo byobogima bigendete go Kina aiga Kenya ekeombe gya Kisii and Level Trust Initiative go sekensi ime county ya Kisii nigo gyatwara egekaro kya bene amo nabanyakiombe ao ase kerenga kyabo kyalenge kubeka omokia ase byombe byabo
tuorenga maendeleo na rugana tukubika omokia ese ibintu byose twakorera ntwaranga mbiya byagenda sama tukayonse mbiya bikorete
gyoko gendereria ebyombe byo
ekyombeke igangara ene nogo akishanga development ya bere Kisii County asenja ere sustainable igonto bwateria ndari nene make sure nga ememe twaiba samokaito na community CSO ase community yetu ya Kirwanga twarigiri abagoto bachibesa donors and twarike chi proposal gochi ase bare erinde ba twachibesa chibokonyega asia CSOs ya community development programs like Gusii
gwikira bono igani go balikirie ebyombe elibwa Eyemo chimya 250 no mona kyanda ase boigo bakoligereria ase oboime ekebyombe bibigokora
yabere kolikia muse koletamo ebyombe bire elibwa Eyemo 269 1269 groups ebyombe byelikiri 90 na ndi twanyalira kwa batoko manyangi bigo kora ntubate ebyombe bye kanisa twanyalira kwa batoko liki twalikiri ebyombe bigo kora bitenenete guse bigo sira balemavu twalikiri ebyombe byabangina twalikiri ebyombe byabasaya twalikiri ebya boda guse association twanyalira kwa batoko liki bigo nga CBOs guse community based organizations na TNGO chionsi yanyalira kwa batyo kweli anene kirengege neto bangite nkiringa twenderere ko baligereri na korama gania
nonya nabo igo nigo batebire amakongunaro ase bakwana gati yali abagwetera
tano amagania abantu baitu bagusii uko kan kwa bonkoli igoro sana kero kinde nabonda atena no botaka buli igoro ase county yaitu obuo koro kingamba geti gosimba bwatu uko kanio konene bugosirwa lakini tawati abantu baitu nga abalemereri yake
ingo ripoti ligetaseni Ndizi TV lietaliane Mildred Mumanyi
Biamono omulikito bene Mildred Mumanyi hasoroboti rwa senchira yobo ikiranu chiskuru nigo chiganete kwerubiria samatemo manenale bosi ali grade 5 ne mokapse na boigobono grade 5 isato sekra 5 isato KCPE na boigobono KCSC kolengana omulikito kurwa se county Nyamira jobu maange nigago tumanyibuna okurogo tindi nigo kwa rurogo chiase bali baligetigo chikongainereria asamatemo ayo ale bosi roboti ru asenchira yoboime
ekero etigarete amatuko amakego cyase amatemwa amanene a KCPE kipsea KCSE nigo aborokia na aborokiwa bebekire ange.
I wish to state that Nyamira sub-county we are very much prepared for the examinations. We have done the necessary arrangements to ensure that examinations go on smoothly across the sub-county.
Ase county ya Nyamira nigo emerobero yabekire boikeranu erinde kwenekya buna amatemu ayo aikeranire buna twabatokohererwa n'omukonyi b'omu county commissioner ase county Nyamira Florence Embunga.
In terms of security, we have deployed enough security to cover all our examination centers, and we also have standby security and invigilators that will be handling hardship cases.
Nasaba abaibori kwa aboro kigwa chinga kichinyororo ase chinga ki echicha amatemu erinde babe bakwenekya buna bakolire buya ase amatemu ayo.
We are appealing to the parents to give the candidates, the children that are sitting for national exams, a conducive environment to enable them sit for exams, because we are aware that most of our candidates are day scholars.
Ensa moyende abanyene chiba na bali bagochi gokora emesangerekano ase chinga kichi chamatemu mbasa bagokora emesangerekane yo ase eliogirirense.
We are also appealing to the public, especially those who are operating bus, that we reduce the noise so that our candidates can have time to learn and revise because they are sitting for exams. Those who will be having crusades, funerals, we want you to minimize that noise because this period is very sensitive while taking the exams.
Ase ekuro entindi ya rwegogo chiase bali balige chikoiba amatemu bunamba chikoirerwa egetambokeryo egetindi.
We have not had any issue of exams being sold anywhere with the Nyamira sub-county, but we want to send a stern warning to those who might be thinking to do so, that necessary action will be taken against them.
Nigo emeru aboyo mwakoyo korwa samagacho amanene ye county Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi mbye munasoro bochurwa senchira yobo ikirano kurwase county area nigo bono atebire buna mochiri chikunire nenchara kubwatikana no wago kumora kera so goncherero kwelire ligathigashagwa niga atebire bune kenekero kererie kijya kurwa asawa na jeshi ose KDF asokoro kurobo konyo obuli konyara gosira bali babere bago kuno muno nenchara boikabanto chimilioni isano nemo na boligathi niga mentreka gote yabune serikali nechikobwatoke namba bene eyibona asawa Kenya bande bali bade no kuganyo kuyabra bago toma pese ndiyonsi babwate aseganga yogo sire bali bakunire nenchara ase chi county anoina bo chi county 11 bono kuro chi county 11 ya mochia kundire mono nigo baro yo mentire asoko bora kwendagera jibono yere nenchara okubara kwa mache gati yebinde.
Today the Kenya Defence Forces of the Republic of Kenya have undergone 1 day's pay towards the National Appeal Fund for Drought Mitigation and given us 130 million Kenya shillings, including students. They can give us 50 bob each, is good enough. And the steering committee will be, this evening, be announcing the pay bill number so that everybody who wants to make some contribution. No Kenyan should die when you have an extra coin. So I want to take this opportunity to also appeal to everybody who is here to make a contribution so that we assist Kenyans who are in a difficult situation. Finally, I want to say that the Ruto administration has identified a management style called continuous engagement with everybody, with those stakeholders. So anytime you want to interact with the president, with myself and the rest of government, we are available 24/7. Our reasoning is simple.
na boigo chinga kichurigathi gashagwa ni garukurogo tindi asibali barachi goso yobukurumi anasengana yokobwato kendagera guche chinsemo chiri chikunire nenchara kobwatekana no gonchero kwelire kwelire murakera chinseme cyo maiganyo baro yu komenta rigati ni gate beru buno ndebwensi ura bwatere no asogote makoreto bunaineria aichibesa nabo ndagere kurwegwa na chikomukirege tambukirege tindi akolengana nelichiko engana boigo ya iruoko boko no moteneli kurwase kambani yoberani ya Safaricom
asebatebire buna abakenya babonete kwerwa sokonyara gosira chinsemo chire chikunire n'umurakera.
The National Steering Committee on Drought Response that we are inaugurating today will, among other things, establish a private-led National Drought Mitigation Appeal Fund and mobilize resources to alleviate the impact of drought ravaging parts of this country. The President has established a steering committee to provide a framework for mobilization of additional resources following increased public interest in scaling up of drought response to meet the needs of fellow citizens affected by the drought.
We know that there is no single entity, whether in government, NGO, or in the private sector, that can tackle this alone. It requires the partnership and collaboration across all sectors. As Your Excellency, you have stated, for both short-term but also long-term interventions.
Gotigara boiga samangana arengete umurakera n'enchara nakowe gokurwa bokonyi ni gobone kyombekerekia National Youth Service NYS ba robokonyi wendagira gocha samenyi be county ya Kajiado abo bono baregate chi county chirichia kuniru n'enchara ko bwatekana no wakwa kumurakera kolengane kyombekekia NYS na ukya bwatokere chibando chingenda mabere megati gati ebintu binde asebate biru n'enchara ya moyokoro kyo bwancha no gocha samenyi bensemejo aniga gocha maega yabanta bankurase county ya Kajiado korakana bakuri nyama yetu yabo anekero yakure abo asabairira buna nko bwatekana no kubara kwendagere gento kwekera baro kuri nyama yetu yabekera yakure engana boy gensemo yobo chenu ya murekana nagote abuna nigero kogoserio konego chia sawa menyi bensemejo ko bwatekana bune nyama ina bera abairira baro gotwara amarwaire ao
aliona hilo jambo ilimguza roho kama mama.
Njaa imetusumbua sana mpaka inabidi tunakula ng'ombe waliokufa misoga.
Watoto tunashamishia tukule ndio watu halale siku ya kuwa na kitu kwa tumboni.
Wakati ya hayo yalitokea ilibidi tuweze kujitoa na kujinyima muhanga chakula siku moja kama vijana wa idara ya huduma wa taifa bila kushurutishwa, na tukasema kwamba lazima tujumuike na Wakenya wenzetu waweze kupata chakula pia waweze kufurahia kama sisi.
Wono gotigana na yibona umunchu murigerio roboti ronde ndoli buna umuwaziri bobolendo emekethura kindiki nigate birabuna abagambya mona abakonyi babo igo chikonyora maigerio igoro enchera baraye bagotumeka chibundu kikolengana na kithure kindiki nigate birabuna enchera moyokonyara kotwara obolendio obuyana gotinga obolendia chinsemo ngane nigo yachire asekerenga buna chinsemo chinge nigo chiaroka nigo tigara magega anene asobolende gentate biranchikomo kegetambo kereri abagambya bana bakonye babo banyara maigeri encho yo gutumeka chibunduki ase baraje ko chibunduki ero kanyara gwikirani obolendi ase chinsemo ao.
We will improve on the equipment that you require to be able to combat these dangerous criminals, and we will not allow any discussion from any quarter whatsoever except that which is in the national interest. I have been in those places. The risk is extremely high. The conditions and the environment and the terrain is extremely challenging. And we are not going to have a situation where bandits and criminals hold hostage our country to a level of a few instances where we have had a few officers lose their life in the line of duty. I repeat this for the avoidance of doubt. The gun, the weapon that a security officer is provided for by the government of Kenya, that weapon is to protect the people of Kenya, their lives and their property from criminals. Therefore, use that weapon within the law. Use it within the Constitution. And the government of Kenya will defend you, will protect you, will stand by you.
Na boigo komite teneta mangana yobo chenu ase bunge niko jabure kumbekirikia malia go KEMSA ko ene kibuna nkwango ibaro bokorri bwabo na gukinie birengo byo bokorri bwabo ochi asaba Kenya kolengana ne komite niko batebere buna engenchonero komite yo ose ekiumbeki gya KEMSA kibana komoke getambo kirona ko bwato kama yogo chachinya getari aho asenchere mo yo kunyara gwikirania omurobelyo bweserekali Universal Healthcare UHC niko chinga batebere buna bwato ko bwato kama yoga sobwango ochi asechinya getari aho na komenta gati abakorri babo unenchere mo yo kwango ina okinie birango byobo chenu aiga sense ya Kenya
that makes sure that there is 100.
It does appear to us that there is still a lot more they need to do, because if we are going to achieve universal health cover, the biggest issue in health provision is the provision of health products, that is drugs and technologies. Those are things like equipment, and it is KEMSA who is responsible for making that available to the counties.
The reforms continue in full gear. As Honorable Nyikal has indicated, we've had some challenges in terms of execution of those reforms because of the litigation, and we are respectful of the court processes as an institution. We currently have about over 400 people working from the office, so we have good capacity. The people who are working from home are also coming in whenever there's need for people to boost up some operations.
Nyoma ega yogo chorwa ko director ba yana sense media yekemeli yecha iri konyara gokinia nseme yuni go kwemurunga ni kogendrete gotigara korwa sabali mu cyaseke mbekeli getene tamangane cha KTDA asiri tukulia reme ya county ya Kirinyaga bali mekura sense yuni go bakoroka ose bakorokorobe no gutinde asoko omerelio burayi bwensemo ya KTDA na gote yabuna KTDA nige kubana checha ego etani ya kerengo konengana bali miyabuni go bateburu na KTDA bwente kubana cha ejuere nusie kilo gramu chimisano asokonde batebere bunani go bakona chwekire mokera enga kibago ika asitundubali chiabo nana bokolengana numunyakiro bweka mati ya senate oteneta mangana yobole myomanyekanete buna kama umurango nigatebere bunago choika busi bweke gambero asokonyaro kwamere lyobo korere bweke umbekerege neta mangane cha KTDA.
Sindakumbwa hapa TM13 katika wadi ya Kirinyaga. Sindakumbwa ni kusemekana KTDA inakata kilo moja na inafaa ikate gramu 500. Sasa wakulima wamekataa na hiyo mambo ya kukata gramu 1000.
Mwenye wale wakawatetea si ni ule tulisagua. Wakati wamekataa, sisi tukiwa wakulima kututetea, tutatetewa ni nani? Sasa tutasema kutoka leo hatuna imani na wao watu. Kutoka leo hatuna imani na wao na kutoka saa hii tumeitisha mkutano, ule tutaitisha mkutano, ule tutasagulia watu wengine wapya.
Tumekataa hiyo maneno. Tumetaka tuambie huyo ameitwa senator ambiwa Murango, ambiwa sisi, tumekataa hiyo. Hata akiambiwa Kesimo ambiwe tumekataa kufuna sai, hata leo tukifuna kesho tukatwe kilo moja, tumekataa. Sasa tusi tumataka ama kikataa tumaseme
Onju muligiri bono ekiratogendrete kumurekeria gendete gokorekana umugavana bwe county ya Nandi Stephen Sang niko bona bore serikali ko neki unatiri konyara kugura chimando kurwa chinse cheisiko konengana Sang nigatebere buna abalimi abanga sense ya Kenya boni go bachakiriri samura na kogeza chibanda sabagania serikali ko neki unankugorere chibande cyo kurwa sabalimi ga sense ya Kenya.
As we continue harvesting our maize, the government at the national level is collecting money. They are allocating their resources into providing food, but we have not seen them coming to the country to buy maize. Why do we want to import maize to go and distribute in the areas of our country that are facing famine when we have maize in our region? Why don't you stand by moving up and buying the maize from ourselves? Why are you supporting foreign farmers more than your own farmers?
Na gotigara boigase county yu ya Nandi nige byombe butali bya serikali ko bwatira na monensemo ya serikali bomera na asensemo ya Kapsabet kutoka se county ya Nandi erikonyara gukwane miroberi ya bene libarachi kobeka soko ne kingotingi barobole ndia sensemeyo egangana na gaigano konyara kuri gicinjere cyo konyara gutugutana gwaka isikamo lyo yogo tindia aibate biraroka ne kometa sensemeyo nigo cinga kici bimbe bate birubuna cinjira nchiro cyo ko bwatira na kone kibuna ngosiri baramo lyo yogo tindia asensemeyo ya Nandi.
Na tumekuwa na kikao cha maofisa wetu inaitwa multi agency team ya kuweza kufuatilia kutekeleza maelekezo ya Mheshimiwa Rais ya kwamba lazima tumalizane na pombe haramu na madawa ya kulevya. Tumefanya mkutano na sub county teams na wenzetu kutoka KRA, kutoka Nakada, kutoka kwa KEBS na kutoka county directorate ya mambo ya lika hapa county pamoja na chairman wa washikadau wa wenye mabaa katika county hii ili kuweza kufanya mkakati ya kutekeleza maelekezo ya Mheshimiwa Rais. Tayari RRA ilikuwa imeanza tarehe 14 na kufikia sasa zile pombe ambazo tumeweza kushika kama ni kangara ni lita 5,300 na ushei. Yaani na ushei na kitu kidogo. Alafu chang'aa ni lita 349. Na watu ambao tumepeleka kotini kufikia sasa ni watu 23. Baa tumeweza kufunga moja, lakini hii ni kazi ambayo inaendelea.
Toa mwito kwa watu wetu wale wanauza pombe. Hakuna mtu anakuwa targeted. Ile kitu iko ni kwamba tunawahimiza wauze pombe ambayo ni mzuri, pombe ambayo inaweza kunywewa. Kwa sababu tunataka tulinde maisha ya watu wetu, wa customers wetu na watu wetu.
Tutashirikiana pamoja, ofisi ya county commissioner, ofisi ya county police commander, ili kuhakikisha kwamba unywaji wa pombe Nandi ni wa ustaarabu. Tumejitolea, we shall commit all the resources within our disposal to ensure that the issues of liquor, the access, control is done to the best way possible.
Gotigana ibono muwaziri asensemo yobo karibu serikali ya isha jumwa ni gobono acha kirebeno muruburi bokonyara gokonya batakanwa asokobeke nseme kanje gicibasa kira konye byombe agochakia umuruburi ya se county ya Kilifi ni gobono ebikundi ose byombe 15 ne kemo byanyaro bokonyi bo shiringi 10 milioni ose 10 milioni 5 na ibere ndugutebere ejo nkira bakonya soko gendali ya kolenga na isha jumwa ni gate biruna eganga ya ene nogo chiko bakonya bari abatakana Wasichi county konyara kubasire konyara kwegendereria anane chinga kichi uchumi egenderete gokonga.
The fund has also introduced a product named Thamini Loan targeting widows. I am happy to launch the new facility here to address the challenges facing widows to ensure a secure and enhanced income to improve their livelihoods. Today, WEF will issue checks worth 7.2 million to Magarini constituency to benefit 16 groups.
Nikiwa nimesimama hapa kwa ajili ya wajane, nikiwaarifu wajane msilale nje na kuchekelewa huko kwa kuwa mwajane. Kufelewa si ugonjwa. Nikisimama hapa, sisi wajane tuko 14 katika hicho kikundi. Ninatokea Malindi, kikundi chetu ni New Market, sauti ya wajane, na tunaendelea vizuri kwa sababu ya Women's Surprise Fund.
Mwanchumurikire bono nyerani gogendete gotengera Ndizi TV obwansubo mugusi de Cameron getato chia butokire nsema ya bono maragoba gontagete ko ndo mutumo ko mukenyora machi ngwira na sentunde ya kabiri ntogende usangamo nane okumanya lya gandete koleka ko chinkongo chonsi imme naisiko yorogongo ruwa Gusii genda tubwate wetera nsema mtandao nsema ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigen nsema ya YouTube mwanchumurikire ya nabo gotonabuna Ndizi TV News asebiro bitere bitambe to kumera na Ndemo Steven atumanyama kura senseme yechigoso nyero World Cup negenda senseme ya Qatar. Ndemo Steven kuna senseme studio tumanyango igoro yechigoso.
Murubrio Buchigosori, Nigokore Tuasore, na Peak Uniforms and Sports Center, Avarosia na Buigua Bonia, Bechianga ao, Chokobeka, Vanyore Imejumu Chukisi, Ase nyumba ya Baraka Building, Angena Shivling Supermarket, Musoba Kirisime, Ase namba, Enoti Sarunegre, Ibere Noti, Isato Kianda, Isato, Isanunemo Enoti.
Mara kwa bengi yako bana sasa tengeretege seni kya Ndizi TV ko na ko semeli kwa ne unoga ni tutware nga kingia tia bono pore na samngana magia ye chigo soria senta ba duikera boniga etimu yote tv ya World Cup ya be ko baki goitu gose ndero betebege ko bwakati ya mangari kwa gereti ko raiga SMS chigo sori una botambe ile terende mfiri captain 001 ndo chaka mangana me chigo sori ko ba se account ya Nyamira kwa sebono omoro kyo moneno omunyango mekane buna coaches Christopher Moreno anyage kwa soki na gosaba andake aba oro kya benko yo kunyara kubwata na kwanya kibuna ngobe kabali chi tournament usama merano yenko yenga kie ya umuti mko seru sasa bana bechi school kwanya kibuna mbai bapo wabeka amu na kunyara kubwata ese chinga kechi chinko mu chibwate menge na andaka sabana mbai kwane barabe bagusira
Chumende yabona ko tepchi kose chikoje abakochi baminto ko Nyamira na Gusii County Toriyenchira tukwa naba MCaba na aba MP na batage kombe kiasi ngiri 5 chokaiga tokore tournament tournament yechiga abana bantu chikuba kibu pisi mbaho chikonyora ibaga bako chikotara uchiskali akore tournament tonyaka semeti nyebere gatime gaiga akore semeti nyebere megaiga abana aba nabakonyore kipawa kwanyere umwana wegari okuchokanya kujibusigaiga akore boigo nesko chikoguru okonyora abana aba nabokuna engaki ya Kisii na Nyamira abana baberesko kenege gosare getesko ga na akabsa abana aba baka abaisike bosi ntobatagete sechikosoye jinji bwatine no mumurabuyeka nana abaisike bachoini imbaje se ogisiko gari banyawo cyandika siko gari imbaje kwena school kebalera siko sorieji nabakome mwana okode school senjerengia nehendekera ari sikoche jijito ndunto bwa discipline nende ntobwate nakito kwana abana aba nende basome bachiko soma uchimupa ko jokonya aba igori
Botikana na mangana ringete engo ya kurega sorongo rwa gusita soime ya World Cup abwa sebono Ensa ya Brazil yabete kwenye kora